Hey random viewers, welcome to my channel. Think these facts are fake? They sound unbelievable, but every single one is true. Number 1. Bananas are technically berries, but strawberries aren't. Number 2. Octopus have 3 hearts to pump blood to the gills and 1 pump it to the rest of the body. Number 3. Honey never expires. Archaeologists have found hundreds, thousands of years old honey that still safe to eat. Number 4. Sharks exist before trees. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years. Number 5. A day on a Venus lasts longer than an actual entire Venus year. Number 6. Wombats produce cube-shaped poop, making them one of the only animals known to do this. Number 7. Scotland national animal is the unicorn. Number 8. The Eiffel Tower gets taller during summer because heat causes the metal to expand. Number 9. Under certain conditions, hot water can freeze faster than cold water. Scientists call this the, I don't know how to pronounce that, effect. Number 10. The shortest war in history lasted only about 38 minutes. So these are 10 facts that sound fake but are 100% true. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to